At the top of the overview of your notification screen, you can find a document icon that allows you to trigger the creation of CSV file and degree and frequency of severity report. When you click on the document icon, a new screen is open and you can choose which report you want to export: CSV file, claim detail, or degree of frequency and severity report. When you click on the CSV file button, a new slide-in will open where you can set more basic filter to determine in your CSV file. In this CSV file, you can find all relevant information from your declaration. We have also enriched the data with information from the claim files themselves, which is kept up to date during the entire lifecycle of your claim files. We first ask if you want to explore all available claims in the all available claim files, or just a selection of them where you can then enter the date between which your search is situated. The standard available claim files are those that have not yet been closed or cancelled. This corresponds to the filter on the top of your navigations on the overview of your notification screen when you can select the pending files. The claim files grouped together in these sections are the claim files with the status of being processed, accepted, and rejected. If you would like to include closed files and cancel claim files in your CSV file, you can select these here. Specifically, there are claim files with the status of reimbursed and closed, denied and closed, and cancel. When you click on the export button, a CSV file is created and you can save it on your own folders. This CSV file is not saved and needs to be requested again the next time when you need this data since it's updated on a daily basis. When you export CSV file, you can convert from Excel file. How to do that? Open the downloaded Excel file, then you open a new blank Excel file. Choose Data or Select. From the drop-down menu, choose Get Data, then select from Text CSV, choose the Export CSV file, select Import, select Load, and your file has been converted in CSV file. The data we add from the claim file is number of the 100% temporary incapacity paid, number of 100% temporary incapacity reserve, temporary incapacity paid from data you choose, temporary incapacity paid until data you choose, delete date of the most recent status change in the occupational accident claim tools. When you click on the degree of frequency severity button, a new slide-in will open. After choosing the policy, the other fields will appear. The drop-down Select Policy list shows all the risk-bearing policies. We only show data for policy which were risk-bearing in that year. That means that it could be that the policy is not risk-bearing anymore at this time. But if it was risk-bearing last year or even some year ago, we would generate the report with the data of those years in which the policy was risk-bearing. For the non-risk-bearing policy, we only show those policies having at least one accident in the past 5 years, which is the numbers of years the user can fill out in the screen. If you have sublevels, you can choose via the second field. The list of the sublevels will contain all active and inactive sublevels that the user has access to. The user could select only one sublevel or all sublevels from the drop-down list. When you select Export, we are creating the degree of frequency and severity report. You will find your requested report under the report icons. And this is a PDF file where you also could see some frequent asked questions except the annual report that you you receive depending on the choose data. Thank you for your attention.